What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got a quick and easy one for you guys, and that's going to be replacing these window sills right here. These right here. You can see these, the original ones, they get old and dry rot because this part right here is pretty thin. I got an old one right here so you can see what I'm talking about. That's what happens. They get old and dry because that part, like I said, right here is pretty thin, so it gets weather beaten. So I found these online overseas for pretty cheap and free shipping. So I ordered them a while back and just never installed them. And these are the part numbers right here. The driver's side 4GO 854328B01C. I'm sorry, it's the passenger side. And the driver's side is 4GO 854327B01C. So you could probably Google those. I think I found these on eBay. And I ordered them a while back and they finally showed up. So to install these is pretty easy. You don't need any special tools at all. You can see this bottom part right here has this groove in it, and you could just grab it like that, lift up on it, pull it out. So hopefully something don't happen like that. This one broke on the end. Just like that. Pull this other one off real quick. Same thing, just get your hand under there, get a grip, pull up on it, move up. That one came off clean. You can see right here in the back it's got that that groove right there is what actually sits into this recess right here, so you're gonna have to line it up with that. It just goes into that right there. Give me a second. Get some wipes. Clean all this dirt off. Car's real dirty, y'all. Been having like a crazy weather out here, a lot of dust and everything. With it being Christmas time, been doing a lot of running around, shopping and stuff after work and everything, so I haven't really got a chance to take the car to get washed or anything. All right, give me 1 second to get these out of the pack. All right, got them out of the pack. So we're just gonna get these lined up. Just wanna line that edge up. Make sure you got the rest going so they line up with the groove. Then you just tap them in. That side, let's get the other side. Same thing. I don't know if you can see that groove right there. The inside groove, you just want to make sure it's lined up to set inside that groove. Right there. Kind of want to get them started. Same thing, just hit them. And that's it. This is what you gotta be careful of though. See how that went behind there? So I pull this out. Give me a second. It's in there. And that's it. Throw these old ones away. And that's it. And these are just gonna, of course, you know, when it rains, of course, direct the water down to the rain cowl right here. So the water drains and everything. And also keep debris and everything from getting under the windowsill. All right, y'all, that's gonna be it for this video. Waiting for some parts to come up for some of the parts that I told you guys about that I have. Got some power upgrades coming up, so I'm waiting for those to come up. So I'm probably gonna be doing some reviews probably this week, and then I'll see you guys in those videos. I want to dyno this car first though before I put the power upgrades on, so I'm looking for a place that I can do that. So I might have a dyno of this car coming up soon. All right, you guys, like I said, that's gonna be it for this video. Got some other things coming up. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.